In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your website name on WordPress. So this is not going to be changing your domain name. So it's not going to be this name, but it's going to be this name right here. So if you're looking to change your domain name, don't watch this video. However, let's get into the good stuff right now. So you want to go to your website, make sure that you're signed into WordPress, and then you can click on Customize right here. So click right there on Customize, and then they will send you over to this page where you can actually edit your website name. For that, you want to click on Site Identity right there, and you'll find your site title and your tagline. All you need to do is edit your site title right there, and then you can actually edit your website name. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in some random stuff, and then right there, if you customize this as well, that's pretty much how you can edit your website name on WordPress. All you need to do is click on Publish right there, and then that should actually be done. So right now it will look like this. If I just go to my website, you'll see that it will actually change. So just like that. There you go. You can now see it right here and then right there as well. So that's how you can change your website name or your site name. Once again, this is not your domain name, it's a website name. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.